Welcome live to every one of you joining us all the way from Arondizuogu. In North Imo State, Nigeria, we are commissioning our solar street light project, which has been championed by the use of Ofemili. So as you can see, we are moving ahead. We are doing the commissioning tonight. So do join us as we are moving ahead now, putting every single one of the lights on. As you can see, the use of the community, they're already ahead. Myself, I'm just behind, following them. So please join us live as we are bringing this light down to this community. First time in history of this community that this kind of project has been executed. And we are so happy that we have finally done this. However, there are still more of the solar street lights that are needed. About at least 80 pieces of it is still needed for this particular part of this community. Remember, our family is one part of Ndimoko. So, but we need at least 80 more of the solar street lights together with their poles. And we are urging anyone that is interested in donating, please, no amount of money is too small. If you'll be interested in donating towards this project, please, your name will be written in history. The fund will be received, will be collected and given to the community. Oh, Janyema Jabiko, Onya Busike, and you know Ikeji festival is starting tomorrow for Arondizuogu. Ikeji festival, Arondizuogu, an annual festival. So the entrance and the commissioning of this light is obviously something very important towards the celebration of that festival. Onya Janyemegwo, Onya Jabusike, I have Kukaneme, Busike Onyaja. So we have to take it upon ourselves towards bringing development into this community. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Onye oja na egburu m oja biko ka obanye na anyị nọ na Facebook na egbuo biko nye anyị oja o. So we are really grateful for everything and we thank God for it. So they are all moving down and so as you can see, the lights are all lined up from this side and we're still moving down. So because currently we have been able to put about 30 pieces of it along this road. So, and there's still about 80 more needed for the other parts of the same family community that hasn't received the light. So that's the reason why we still need more funds. So, but on the stretch of the main street of the community, 30 poles, some of them with double solar street lights, some of them with single street light has been put at strategic places. And that's what we are doing tonight. So they have actually gone all the way down. So as to make sure every single one of that light has been turned on. So maybe as I move down, I will be able to meet them again. So we thank every one of you that has been able to be part of this. And we hope that this development will be something that will be emulated by so many communities within this both within Arondizuogu and within Idata and obviously within Imo State as a whole and Nigeria, because many communities are living without any single drop of light for many ages. Okay, so like myself, right from our childhood, we've never had this. So we are grateful that finally the youth of the community has taken it upon themselves. Therefore, any support they can receive from you will be deeply, deeply appreciated. So as we move down to see what's going on. So how far have they gone down? So they're still moving down because it's a long stretch of road that has to accommodate. So you can see this one as well. So it's a long stretch of road and we have to move. We have to move down. Oh, okay. It looks like they are all rushing back again. All right. And as they're coming, the all running, the music. So now they are all running back again, and we are following. So we are following them back again as we are doing this very important event it is, as this community has to do everything possible to make sure that they have lights in order that people will be able to see themselves as they are passing along the road, rather than moving along the road and everywhere is dark. So this is very important for everyone within this community, and even for the visitors, because this is major road connecting Imo State and Anambra State. So do you take this way, you head to Umunze down to Anambra, and you turn back towards my back, then that takes you to Okigwe, heading towards Enugu direction, Port Harcourt, Aba direction. So this is a major road for the transporters, for visitors, for people who are traveling. So it's very important that this community bring that light to everyone. So join me and feel free to comment, please. Say anything good. If there's any good wish, if there's any contribution you want to make, is there anything good? So anything that is ever donated from anybody from any part of the world, please be rest assured that it will be collected and given to this community, okay? Solely for this project. So feel free to donate anything, any amount of money you can. This project is still ongoing because over 80 pieces are still needed, because there are still many places that need this light. So as you can see, this is one part of it as well. And as we are moving down, so as we are moving down, we need more. So thank you to every one of you, and I'll do my best to broadcast this as much as possible, because this is a very important moment in history, and having this as an event that won't be forgotten is something very important to myself and obviously the people of this community. So we are heading down now towards the home of the current incumbent president of the Ofemili Youth. So he's the caretaker president of the Ofemili Youth, who has been in charge of spearheading this project, success of this project. So we are heading down back to his home, because the people have to go for the events proper, the entertainment and everything, ahead of Ikeji festival, which is first day, will be starting tomorrow. Ikeji festival is an annual festival being celebrated by people of Arondizuogu. So if you search on Google, Ikeji festival, Arondizuogu is a very important festival that has been celebrated anyway. As far as I have been a child, the festival has been celebrated. So it has been there for many centuries, through our ancestors, parents and all the rest of them. So this festival is being celebrated every year, always after Easter celebration, always after spring equinox. So the date for this year starts on starts on this April 28th, and officially it lasts at least 4 days to 8 days. So because there are 4 days are the main days, and then the other side events that stretches beyond the normal 4 days. So the whole of Arondizuogu community are part of this event. So as you can see, the light has been turned on permanently tonight through the remote control. So we have here 600 watts. Each of the solar street light is 600 watts capacity, and the 600 watts so is sensor LED solar street light, 600 watts each. So we need more of it. towards completion of this project. But we are happy that the first batch has already been installed by the youth, and we will not relent until we complete this project, because it's a very important development in this community. Yeah, so as we are passing, as you can see, we are heading down, and more of the all the lights are all switched on now. As you can see, they're all switched on. So we are deeply grateful that this project has been, successful on this first batch, and we look forward to the second batch, which is anyway much bigger than this first batch. Onye ọja kwụsị iko. Onye ọja kwụsị ike. Ọja music, very important music as well, that has to send you to heaven when you listen properly to it. So as you can see, long stretch of the street light down towards the end. So the long stretch of the road, the last one you can see right down, that's the last place the light ended. So this is like a quarter of the project. We still need more solar street lights. We still need more money to buy more of the poles, the long poles that is being used for it. So this is why this is a very important project for us. So we are now back at the President's house in order to finish the last part of the entertainment and the commissioning of the project. All right, Mr. President, do you have anything to say to people that are watching us live on Facebook in terms of this project, Solar Street Light?
I'm most glad today, being a part of this project.
Yeah.
Not just being the president of the association,
yeah,
but being one of the stakeholders, being one of those that made sure that this came to pass. I'm very, very happy, and I'm glad. I'm very, very happy with all the youths.
Yeah.
Those who made sure that this thing came to pass. It's not easy. It's not easy.
Yeah, so just as this is
the difficult situations.
I agree with you. And as you are aware, this is the first batch. So what can you say to the people who are listening to us in terms of anything they can donate to support the community towards completion of the project? Because this is first batch and it's like quarter of the project. So what can you say to them? Because they are all over the world. Any of them can be touched by God to do something for us.
Well, it's left for whoever that is willing. The mind to make money is different, and the mind to beat it is different. So if it touches anyone to bless us with any amount, it's welcome.
Yeah.
It's welcome.
Okay.
As you know, we have a lot of things to do.
The poles, the solar street lights, yeah.
The lights, solar lights,
the cement, the everything.
If it touches anyone to donate to this project, it's highly welcome. It's highly welcome.
Okay.
We will so much appreciate it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
And the Chi will make sure it gets to us.
Ikeji, yes, obviously. Ikeji, yes. It will.
Your original name is Chi.
It will. Ikeji, yes. So it will surely. As long as they do.
Your botanical name is
Ikeji. No, beyond botanical. Deep spiritual name. Okay, thank you, Mr. President, for that information. So thank you. As you can see, he has pleaded on any one of you that will be able to support the community towards completion of this project, because this is like quarter of the project we've just delivered on. So please, anybody that will be kind enough to make any donation, it doesn't matter the amount, anything you can give will be appreciated. This will be received and it will be given to the community. So please feel free to do anything, as this is a live project that is supporting development of community and obviously Nigeria as a whole. So thank you so much. Okay, so we are still here. So we are still here. So we are all still gathering towards the concluding part of the event. So everybody is still gathering, and we're obviously looking forward to merriment, considering that this is a great achievement for this community. So it's something that we thought may not come to pass, but we are deeply happy that it finally happened. So the youths are coming back. Okay. So they're all coming back again. Yeah. Okay, so they're okay. Yeah. So now people are arriving back for this celebration. So we are making it live on Facebook because we want it to live forever in the hearts of the community and the hearts of people who are able to see what we are doing. So we want this special occasion to be something that everyone will remember, and obviously for it to inspire lots of communities towards taking it upon themselves to start developing their communities rather than waiting on government to do everything. That's the important aspect of what we are doing tonight. So most communities do not have any light, but it's very important if the youth take it upon themselves to do everything they can to tax themselves with the support of people who can as well help in order to ensure that, they succeed in bringing development and important opportunities to the community. So people have gathered. Everyone is here now. People are still arriving as well. So please feel free to type a comment and say you appreciate what we are doing. Please feel free. It will be nice to see your comments, any questions, any congratulations to the community. Please feel free to type. And feel free to share this video as well so that others can watch and be inspired as well. Because so many communities in Nigeria are living without any single drop of light. But here we are, the light of the sun, the light that bringeth light into this world, bring it and take it away. Darkness of this mother earth, the light of the sun will be powering this community. At least we are very happy about that. Solar energy is an everlasting light, And myself, I've been someone that has been encouraging various communities and individuals towards the use of solar light. Myself, I use it at my home as well. So it's something that is very good for every community in order to take many out of the shackles of dependence on government for light, dependence on, the companies that have to rip people off through supply of electricity. When this light of the sun is there, at least 12 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours every day. So it's an important gift this universe has given us. And it's high time we have to start using more and more light of the sun, because that's an important opportunity for communities to, light their community and obviously enjoy the benefits of the free energy flowing from the sun of righteousness. Onye ọja gbusi ike. Hey, were gawa. Anyị na-anụ ihe ị na-ekwu. Ọ ihe mere eme. Ọja ka eji akpọtụ ndị mmụọ ozi ha na-agbadata n'ike n'ike. Were gawa. Hey. Oja music is an important music in Igbo land because it sends you right up to heaven. When you listen attentively and carefully to the music, it will send you right up to heaven. Onye ọja busike. Onye ọja busike. Mmiri biko enigwe chere. Enigwe tere jụọ. Enigwe tere jụọ. Busike. Hey. Kende na-emekwe n'okwe ibe a, ya mere n'okwe. Kende na-eme okwe ebe ka ha nọkwa. Hey. N'arịa nọ n'ahụ. Ka onye na-eme okwe biko ya bịara. Ka onye ga-eme okwe ya bịa. Ka onye ga-eme okwe ibe a, enwekwara nwoke na-eme n'okwe. Emekwe nwoke na-eme n'okwe ibe a. Hey. Onye ọja jisi ike. Ana m ekele. Onye ọja imetụ na-egbuo biko. Ebe a gafete side a gafete ebe a ọ ga-eru onye ọbụla aka. So the youth of the community, majority of them are here tonight as we commission the first batch of our solar street light project. So the first batch, which is like 1/4 of the project, has already been commissioned. Today being 27th day of April, Wednesday, 27th April 2022, being a Eke market day in Igbo land. Eke represents the sun as well. So it's a very important opportunity, a very important event for this community, and we are all at the host. The Oja music. So as time goes on, I think he will give us more of the music. Before ndị abịa na-egbutu ntakịrị ka a na-eche nri, na-egbutu ntakịrị ka anyanwụ oke gozie gị, chọọ gị mma, ka ọnwa gozie anyị ka ọ na-ebilite n'abalị a. Ise So we are still here. This is a very important event, so it's very important that it's a captured live, so that as the youth of the community are growing, as the young kids are also growing, by the time they have access to Facebook, they will remember this important event and be able to watch back at what exactly went on. So we are glad that you are here with us. Feel free to share and feel free to comment, please. So many people are here, obviously, okay, for this event, as you can see. So many of us are here, the ladies, the men, the children, the boys, those living outside the community. They all traveled back home as well because of this event, and also because of Ikeji festival, Arondizuogu, which is starting tomorrow. Okay, so at the moment they are sharing food to the guests and they're trying to, eat some food and some people as well taking their drinks. So the people are relaxing and enjoying at the moment. The music group are arriving, so shortly we are going to be having wonderful entertainment, dance and the music entertainment by the musical group. So they are all arriving now, and very shortly they will start their music. So you will have a lot of entertainment with us tonight, and you're gonna enjoy this event with us. Onye ọja. Onye ọja. Na-achọwa oche o. Eze nwanyị ka ibe na-ekene. Eze nwanyị ka ibe na-ekene gị. Eze nwanyị ka ibe na-ekene gị. Ịnọdụ live on Facebook, so kene ọfụma. Ka ọnwa chọọ gị mma ka ọ na-ekuni. Ise nnọọ. For those of you that is just joining us now, welcome to Ofe Mirindi Moko Arondizuogu, Idato North, Imo State, Nigeria, where we are commissioning the first batch of our solar street light project. So the youth of the community took it upon themselves to donate money to seek for funds from all nooks and crannies towards the kickstarting of this project. And at the moment, we've been able to deliver about 30 pieces of the solar street lights. And we are still in need of at least 80 pieces, And remember, this is just for one part of this community anyway, because the other sections of this same community, they've been a very big community. We have not had light for a long time. And therefore, this is a very wonderful project which everybody has been dreaming about. So now, we are still seeking for your support. Any of you that is still interested, that will be willing to donate anything to this community, please feel free to do so. We are going to collect the money and give to the community. They will receive it and acknowledge. So we are still in need of funds towards completion of this project, and no amount is too small. Please feel free to donate anything you can. It doesn't matter where you live. Please feel free to contact me, Genevieve Fight, and once I receive it, I will give it to the community. Thank you. We are now welcoming the dance group division of the community as they are arriving with their music. So they are going to entertain us now. Hey, Igbo music is a very beautiful music. You will surely be moved to dance anytime you hear the sound of our music. Hey! And we have in our presence here the Youth Association President of Arondizuogu Youth as well. So because it's the old family youth that are doing their own, but we invited in our midst the President of Arondizuogu Youth. He is the one that is carrying, holding he's the one standing and giving money to the dancers, the music dancers.
Information. Oh, NYU. Accident. This one guy out here from NYU, personally, with NYU family, he had half a million, 500,000. I pay 2 months. You don't know the reject. I think I'm going to pay what I'm going to I will tell you more on the 200 something last million. See what you look at you. Remind you this is NYU project. I put the woman watch out. By 7, 8, 9, 6 NYU. Security, frontier jeep, single-handedly, security was 1.5 minutes. Going the security.
Ikenna.
Not me. Because on 29th, on Friday, so because all of you should be available.
Okay, so we are coming to the end of this event anyway, and the president is addressing the people. I think it's rounding off now because the guests are about to depart while the entertainment and the relaxation is still ongoing. So I will shortly be finishing up with this broadcast, and I'm going to post it on my wall, so feel free to share, feel free to watch it later and see what has gone on, because we've been live for 1 hour, almost 1 hour 10 minutes now. We've been live, so glad that we had very strong network, otherwise it would have disconnected. So but we've had a very beautiful network tonight, and as the solar street light is shining, so the network was very strong for us to help you people join us live to see exactly what we were doing here. And thank you to every one of you that has been part of this event, and to all those that are interested in supporting this community project, Solar Street Light of Arondizuogu, Imo State, Nigeria. So feel free to get in touch. No amount of money is too small, because this is the first batch, and there are still over 80 solar street lights with their with the posts and all the things that are needed, cement and everything, sand and all the things that are needed towards this installation. They are still all needed. So please Feel free to make any donation. No amount is too small, and we look forward to hearing from you people again. So to every one of you that has been part of this, thank you so much. As we are rounding off now to formally end this event while the celebration continues for the guests and the community members who are still eating and drinking. Join us towards the beginning of this project today. So they're about to leave while the youth of the community continue with music, dances, and entertainment. Sasa waikibe omegene ogene igala ikibe akuru ogene echi okay ogene echi na bia kuno bia kaba me ogene okay ogene echi na bia kaba me ogene ademma na bia kaba sama ikibe ogene akuru ga bia kwaso bado. Okay, thank you. We've come to the end of this, so I'm going to go off now. So because I've been online now for 1 hour 20 minutes plus. So we are very grateful for the strong internet connection, which has been made possible through data from my Airtel connection. So glad I had enough data, and the data was able to be strong enough to allow this event to go on without interruption. So thank you to every one of you that has been part of this event. It has been a wonderful celebration, and we are glad that our community, Arondizuogu, local government, Imo State, Nigeria, land of the rising sun, Land of the Rising Moon, has been able to commission the first batch of our solar street lights. So we are deeply grateful for that, and we are looking forward to the second batch as soon as the funds become available from all donors, from anyone that it has touched from this first commissioning, who will be happy to help us towards the second batch of this wonderful development in this community. So thank you so much, every one of you. And feel free to share this. I'm going to be posting it on my wall. Feel free to come back and watch again. Feel free to share it on your wall. Feel free to share to others, because we need people to watch this and be inspired towards looking for a way to bring development to their community, especially when it comes to solar street light projects and the use of solar energy, which the universe has already blessed us with enough energy of the sun to be able to use the sunlight to light our every day in order for us to be able to use this light, which we don't need to pay for. So thank you to every one of you that has been part of this, and I look forward to doing more of this in the future. So because without this recording this live now, we would not have been able to have this momentous occasion. So I'm deeply grateful that I graced this occasion and I was able to record this, because it's gonna be there forever. And it has been a wonderful celebration, and we look forward to doing more of this, because it's a positive development within our community, and more of it is needed. Facebook, you're waiting to live on Facebook. Thank you. Father. Hey! Hey! Egwu nọ ya. Okay, thank you to every one of you that has been part of this. So I'm gonna be logging offline now, and I'll post on my wall. So feel free to continue watching from there. Thank you so much to every one of you from all parts of the world. This is Genevieve Flight, Priestess of Lunar Logos, Ikeji, Asian Initiative, Lady of Light, signing off all the way from Arondizuogu, that not local government area, Imo State, Nigeria, land of the rising sun, land of the rising moon. okike ka ọnwa ka eke orie afọ nkwọ ihu na azụ aka ndị aka ekpe ruere anyị isi ka ha nyere anyị aka ka Chukwu okike dozie anyị site taa gara n'ụbọchị niile ka aja ana ka ikuku mmiri ọkụ kpakpando na ihe niile nke Chukwu ji wee chọọ anyị mma ka ha ncha nọnyere anyị ruwere anyị isi gọzie anyị na-enyere anyị aka iji wee gbaziere anyị ụzọ ka ihe niile nke anyị na-eme ka ọ bụrụ ihe nke ya na aja ana makọrọ si ugbu a ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ise ise ise